Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Iman, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here today.
Me too, Inaya. I am feeling very hungry today.
Really, me too. I skipped lunch, so I'm thinking about food a lot.
Okay, perfect. Then today we are going to talk about going to a restaurant.
Yes, a restaurant, and you'll learn all the useful phrases for eating out.
Let's imagine we are very hungry and we decide to go out.
Okay, sounds fun. First, we entered the restaurant.
Yes, so we walk in and a waiter comes to greet us.
A simple greeting could be, "Hello, welcome to our restaurant."
That's perfect. Then we need to ask for a table.
Right, you can say, "Hello, a table for two, please."
Very polite. Adding please is important.
Yes, it shows respect. So after the waiter shows us the table, we can ask for the menu.
Yes, you can say, can I have the menu, please?
And the waiter can respond, "Of course, here's the menu."
Now we have the menu. Let's look at the starters first.
Okay, starters are small dishes before the main meal. For example, salad, soup, or bread.
I think I'll have a tomato soup. What about you, Inaya?
I like a fresh garden salad. I am still a little hungry.
Okay, after starters, we can read the main course section.
Yes, main courses are the big dishes like chicken, pasta, fish, or beef.
I am thinking about grilled chicken with rice.
I'll have spaghetti with vegetables. Healthy and delicious.
Okay, now let's practice ordering politely. We can say, I would like the tomato soup, please.
And I'll have the garden salad, please.
Good, very simple. We can repeat this to remember.
Yes, I would like and I'll have are very common phrases at a restaurant.
Also, we should ask for drinks. For example, can I have some water, please?
Yes, or I'd like a glass of juice, please.
Now imagine the waiter brings our food.
We can say thank you or it looks delicious.
Exactly. Then, while eating, we can ask for more water if we need it.
Yes, excuse me, can I have some more water, please?
Very polite. And if we like something, we can say, this tastes very good.
I like that. Polite and friendly.
After finishing the main course, we can look at desserts.
Yes, dessert is sweet food after the main meal. Ice cream, cake, or fruit.
I think I want chocolate cake.
I will take fruit salad. Light and sweet.
Okay, now let's order desserts. I would like the chocolate cake, please.
I'll have the fruit salad, please.
Perfect. Now, while waiting, we can have light conversation about the food.
Yes. The food smells amazing, or I can't wait to taste it.
Yes, that is very natural.
Then the waiter brings our dessert. We say, "Thank you, it looks wonderful."
After finishing dessert, we can ask for the bill.
Very polite. Can I have the bill, please?
Yes, the waiter may ask cash or card.
You can answer, "Card, please," or "Cash, please."
After paying, we can say, thank you, have a nice day.
And the waiter, "Thank you, enjoy your evening."
Perfect. Then we leave the restaurant, happy and full.
Yes, full and satisfied.
Okay, now let's do a full role play. I'll be the customer and you are the waiter, Inaya.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hello, a table for two, please.
Of course, right this way. Here's your table.
Thank you. Can I have the menu, please?
Here you are.
Let's see. I would like the tomato soup, please.
Very good. And your starter?
Oh, I already said tomato soup.
Yes, of course. Sorry. And for the main course?
I'll have grilled chicken with rice, please.
Perfect. And drinks?
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Of course.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Everything smells so good.
Yes, it looks very tasty.
After a few minutes, excuse me, can I have some more water, please?
Sure, right away.
Thank you. The chicken tastes amazing.
I'm glad you like it.
Dessert time. I would like chocolate cake, please.
Very good. And for you?
Oh, I already ordered chocolate cake.
Ah, yes, sorry. Everything is ready.
Perfect. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Delicious. Really sweet and tasty.
I am happy you like it.
Now, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Enjoy your evening.
That was a very nice experience.
Yes, very practical for everyone learning English.
Okay, let's review some key phrases we used today.
Ah, yes. A table for two, please.
Can I have the menu, please?
I would like /I'll have.
Can I have some more water, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Thank you. Enjoy your evening. Perfect. Repeating these phrases helps remember them naturally.
Ah, yes. And don't worry if you forget. You can always use simple words like please and thank you.
Okay, Inaya, now let's talk about feelings in a restaurant. How do you feel when you are very hungry?
I feel impatient but excited to eat.
Me too. Sometimes I think about food all the time.
And after eating, we feel full, happy, and relaxed.
Exactly, that's natural.
Talking about food is also a great way to practice English.
Yes, and you can describe your favorite food. I like pizza, I enjoy chicken, I love chocolate cake.
Ah, simple sentences, very easy to remember.
Okay, we also used some polite expressions. Please, thank you, and excuse me.
Yes, very important in restaurants. Polite words are always appreciated.
Alhamdulillah, today's episode is very practical and fun.
Yes, everyone can imagine going to a restaurant and practice these sentences.
Okay, let's pause here. In part 2, we will continue with more detailed dessert conversation, paying, leaving, and some funny situations at the restaurant.
Yes, and more role play examples for practice.
Perfect. We will continue in the next part. Welcome back, everyone. Now we continue our restaurant conversation.
Hi, everyone. I'm excited to talk about desserts and leaving the restaurant.
Ah, yes. After the main course, it's time for dessert.
My favorite part. What do you usually choose for dessert, Iman?
I really like chocolate cake, sweet and soft. And you, Imaya?
Ah, I enjoy fruit salad, light and refreshing.
Okay, now imagine we want to order dessert. I can say, I would like the chocolate cake, please.
And I can say, I'll have the fruit salad, please.
Perfect. Then the waiter brings it. We can say, thank you, it looks delicious.
Ah, yes. And while eating, we can also comment, this tastes amazing.
Exactly. And if something is too sweet or not to your taste, you can politely say, it's very sweet, but I like it.
Very nice. Always polite.
Okay, now imagine we finished dessert. We are full and happy. What's next?
Ah, yes. We ask for the bill. Can I have the bill, please?
Right, the waiter can ask, cash or card?
And you answer, card, please, or cash, please.
Perfect. And after paying, we can say, thank you, have a nice day.
And the waiter responds, thank you. Enjoy your evening.
That feels very natural.
Yes, very friendly and polite.
Okay, let's do another fun role play. This time, I'll show a small mistake.
Ah, interesting.
Hello, a table for two, please?
Right this way. Here's your table.
Can I have the menu, please?
Of course. Here you are.
I'll have the soup and the pasta.
Very good. And your drink?
Ooh, I forgot. Wait, can I have juice too?
No problem. What juice would you like?
Orange juice, please.
Perfect.
Ah, and can I also have some water? I am so thirsty.
Yes, water is important. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
No problem. And here is your water and juice.
Perfect. Everything is ready.
Yes, enjoy your meal.
The soup is very hot. So tasty.
Looks like you're enjoying it.
Ah, yes, and the pasta is really delicious too.
That's good. Always nice when food tastes as expected.
Okay, now dessert. Chocolate cake. I would like it, please.
And I'll have fruit salad.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Chocolate cake is so soft and sweet. I love it.
Yes, and my fruit salad is very refreshing.
After dessert, we ask for the bill. Can I have the bill, please?
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Perfect. Here is the receipt.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Enjoy your evening.
That was a great meal.
Yes, everyone, practicing this conversation will help you feel confident in restaurants.
And you can also describe your favorite food. I like pasta. I enjoy soup. I love chocolate cake.
Very simple and natural.
Okay, let's review some key phrases from today.
A table for two, please.
Can I have the menu, please?
I would like, I'll have.
Can I have some more water, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Thank you. Enjoy your evening.
And don't forget please and thank you. Very important.
Alhamdulillah, today's episode is very practical.
Yes, everyone can imagine being at a restaurant and practice these phrases naturally.
Sometimes we also need to ask for extra things politely.
Like asking for more napkins or ketchup.
Yes, excuse me, can I have some more napkins, please?
Or, can I have extra ketchup, please?
Perfect. These phrases are very useful.
And remember, repeating these sentences helps a lot.
True. Also, you can practice with a friend. One person can be the waiter and the other the customer.
Yes, and you can switch roles. Very fun and helpful.
Sometimes mistakes happen, like asking the wrong order.
Yes. Wait, I ordered the pasta, not the soup.
Very normal. We can politely correct, "Excuse me, I think I ordered the pasta."
And the waiter can respond, "Oh, I'm sorry. I'll bring it right away."
Perfect. No need to worry. Always polite.
Yes, and always smile. People appreciate it.
Okay. Now let's imagine leaving the restaurant.
Yes, we are full, happy, and satisfied.
We can say, "Thank you. The food was amazing."
And the waiter responds, "Thank you. Have a nice evening."
And we can say goodbye to our friends. "See you soon."
Yes, simple and polite.
Alhamdulillah, learning these phrases will make dining out very easy.
Yes, and fun too.
Okay, now let's do a full conversation summary, role play style, from entering to leaving.
Yes, I'm ready.
Hello, a table for two, please.
Right this way. Here's your table.
Can I have the menu, please?
Of course.
I'll have tomato soup and grilled chicken with rice.
Very good. And your drink?
Orange juice and water, please.
Perfect. Enjoy your meal.
Everything smells so good.
Yes, it looks delicious.
Now dessert. Chocolate cake for me.
And fruit salad for me.
Amazing.
Enjoy it.
Okay, can I have the bill, please?
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Perfect. Here is the receipt.
Thank you. The food was delicious.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
Alhamdulillah, what a wonderful meal.
Yes, everyone, you can now practice all these phrases naturally.
Okay, let's review final key phrases one last time.
A table for two, please.
Can I have the menu, please?
I would like, I'll have.
Can I have some more water, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Thank you. Enjoy your evening.
And extra, excuse me, can I have extra napkins, please?
Perfect. Repeating these phrases makes them easy to remember.
Yes, and don't forget to smile and be polite.
Yes, that's the most important part.
Okay, now everyone, try practicing with a friend or even by yourself.
Imagine you are the customer and the waiter and repeat all the phrases.
Yes, very fun and effective.
Alhamdulillah, today's restaurant conversation is complete.
Yes, I hope everyone enjoys practicing these phrases.
And remember, the more you practice, the easier it becomes to talk naturally in a restaurant.
Ah, yes, and always try to describe your favorite food too.
Yes, I like pasta. I love chocolate cake. I enjoy pasta.
Simple sentences.
Perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. Okay, everyone, we have covered everything: entering, ordering, eating, dessert, paying, and leaving.
Yes, very complete and practical.
Alhamdulillah, I think this episode is very helpful for all our listeners.
Yes, and fun too.
So remember, repeat these phrases, practice with a friend, and enjoy learning English.
Ah, yes. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Everyone starts somewhere.
Exactly. Just keep practicing.
And be polite, smile, and have fun.
Perfect advice.
Thank you, everyone, for listening today.
Yes, thank you all. Keep practicing and keep smiling.